Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This is our July club reveal for our regular club and I'm super excited to bring it to you. I want you to make no mistake, this is a cute one. Okay, before we look at it, are you a member of the club? Why not? What you waiting on? All the information for joining is in the description below. Also, if you're not a member of the club and you want to pick up the stamp set, you always can at our website, maymaymadeit.com. And if you're going this weekend, today is the second to the last day of our sale, I think. So if you're going to shop today, be sure to use the code Fireworks20 to get 20% off your order. Okay, let's check this one out. Ready? Make no mistake. Isn't it so cute? I love this so much. So here's what you get. You get make no mistake, and then all these sentiments that go with it. You're rare and well done. Make no mistake, hope your day is sizzling good. Make no mistake, you're a cut above the rest. How about well done, my friend? Make no mistake, you're brilliant. Make no mistake, you're the rarest of them all. And make no mistake, you sizzle. And lastly, which may be my favorite, make no mistake, you're hot. I think this is so, so cute. And look at this little barbecue grill. You have a steak and you've got the little utensils to use with your steak, and I want to show you our samples. Now, sadly, Miss Opal and Miss Geneva are not going to be doing our samples anymore. They did such a good job for us, and we really appreciate them. But now you get me and Shannon again. So this is Shannon's sample, and I cannot wait to show you what she did here. I think it is so cute. Can you see the little grill is shimmering? So what she did was she stamped with StazOn on some silver cardstock, and then she cut the grill out, and then she pieced the red pieces on top. I think that is so, so cute. And she got such a cute little shimmer, and it says, make no mistake, and when we open it up, you're rare and well done. Adorable. That's sample number one. And then for my sample, I wanted to try to do something a little bit different. I thought this would be fun. So you see my little barbecue grill. I also did the green because I thought it'd be different than doing red, because we traditionally do red, right? I was kind of thinking big green egg kind of thing. But look, you see this word that says push? Watch this. It glows. Can you see my little light up barbecue grill? I just love this so much. I think it is adorable. And then when you open it up, mine says, make no mistake, you're the rarest of them all. And I put a rare steak over there. I thought that was cute. So let me show you that again. I'm going to push the button. Can you see that little glow? It's a little bright in here with our lights. I think you can see it. I love that so much. Mine, what I did was I stamped this back section on vellum. So this whole middle section is vellum. And then I pieced the barbecue grill on top. This part down here is also pieced, but that section is vellum so that whenever we press it and the light is behind it, it'll glow. All right, you guys, that's our two samples. I hope you enjoy this so much. Hey, don't forget, if you are not a club member and you are going to purchase a stamp set this weekend, you can use the code Fireworks20 to get 20% off, and also Fireworks20 on the other items in your cart. And the things that are eligible for the coupon they'll receive the 20% off when you check out. And if you are a member of our club and every month we give away a $50 gift card, now's your chance. Grab this stamp set, make a project with it, post a picture of it to our customer gallery, and you're entered to win $50 gift card. You might have been last month's winner, so you want to be sure to check in the description below if that was you. Hey, thanks so much for being here, and until next time, bye now.